So hi Prerna, it looks like there's a lot of joy and happiness in your face. May I know why? Is it because of the award or is it your first event?
I am in general a very joyous and enthusiastic person, so I'm always joyful. But today is a special day because I got my first ever award in this category, and thank you, Influence Exchange, for making this happen. So, yeah, that's why a little more joyous today.
So can you tell us about your journey as an influencer? Like how did you start and what inspired you to pursue this path?
Right. Okay, so I am an advocate. I started working as an advocate back in 2019, but I realized that's not my forte, and I found something so homely about social media and putting myself out there because I'm an extrovert and I love sharing, I love inspiring, I love talking, creating. So I thought I should do something about social media. I started it very vaguely, and I was not, I didn't know what's coming next for me. But later, I found home in this, and I started making money. It even motivated me more because that's a very important aspect of life. If you're pursuing something, it's not just because you love it, but it should also provide for you and your family. So that's how I started, and here I am with my first award. So yeah, it has been great so far.
So tell me like what was the turning point that led to your success as an influencer?
Okay, a lot of people will say numbers don't matter, but they do matter. Once I hit a lakh on Instagram, it obviously motivated me more, and I was like, okay, I'm doing something right for people to follow me. Otherwise, there's no point, creating content. So I think, yeah, numbers, and also a lot of people come up to me and they say, I like your family, or I love how you do this or that. They connect to me in a very personal level. So yeah, I think that motivates me a lot.
So tell me what has been your most memorable collaboration and why?
Okay. So I love traveling. My niche is also travel. So I think for the first time when I got a sponsored international collab, that was like a turning point for me in my career. I was like, wow, I get to go to places and get paid for it and then have fun. That's amazing. So I think that is definitely a turning point in my career.
So what have you learned about yourself through your journey as an influencer?
So, as an influencer, you get to learn every single day. There's so much to learn, there's so much to create, there's no boundaries whatsoever. You can't fit in a box when you're a lifestyle creator. So, I realized I have a lot of potential and I can learn every single day and become better as a person also. And to inspire others, you need to be a good person first, right? So, I think that has been like a motivation for me to always do the right, be the right, and yeah, to basically inspire people to be more kind.
Totally agree with that. What advice would you like to give to someone who wants to become a successful influencer?
I think authenticity is the key in creators economy because there are so many creators now and a lot of people do a lot of repetitive things, but if you're authentic and if you're bringing something to the table which no one else is bringing, if you're so authentic, relatable, and if I say हिंदी में बोलूँ तो घरेलू, आपको लगना चाहिए कि भाई आप अपने आप को ही देख रहे हो, इनकी भी फैमिली मेरी जैसी है, ये भी मेरी जैसी है बंदी, वैसा लगना चाहिए आपकी ऑडियंस को. आई थिंक दैट इज द की टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल इन दिस इकोनॉमी.
Last but not the least, how has your experience been with Influence Exchange Conflicts and Award series?
I think it is, as I said, it's one of my first. It is my first award, and influence exchange का जब मेरे पास आया था email, तब I was like कि okay maybe ऐसा ही होगा कुछ, जैसे होता है. But then धीरे धीरे the coordinators and the team, which is so professional, which is so helpful, and they are so professional as well as they are friendly to you. So they reached out to me. I spoke to Megha. I spoke to a lot of team members, and then they helped me out with this and the agenda and the motive behind this, which I really liked. And I think I would like to thank Influence Exchange for this opportunity, and I'm looking forward for more and more of these. And many many congratulations for 3 successful years and many more to go.
I would congratulate you for winning an award and I hope you enjoy the evening today.